And there's also another nice little market that you could visit once you get back to the cruise later on. But I will tell you a little bit more about town center once we get back and what there is to do in case you want to get to know this part of the island as well. So we are now today here in Guadeloupe, and I don't know if you know, but Guadeloupe is part of the European Union because it is an overseas department of France. So we are here in the European Union as if we went to a French little department in Europe. So that's also the reason why it's very easy for me to be here, because I'm German, I'm from Germany, and I just chose to live in this on this beautiful island because it's a lot warmer and sunnier than Germany. And it's not hard for me to be here because I don't need anything. I just can take my ID card and come here and decide not to leave again.